This 5-minute solution will show you how to add an email address to your Facebook page. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, make sure to switch your Facebook page. Once done, go to your page profile and tap on Edit. Scroll down and tap on Edit your About info. And here you will get Add Email under Contact Info section. So tap on Add Email. In this box, write here your email address that you want to add to your page. Now tap on Done. Tap on Save. And as you can see, my email address has been successfully added to my Facebook page. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.